Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. We did our online class with the Hills of Tuscany. Wasn't that a fun challenge?
It
Should call
was.
it challenge class. It was good though. So Ros, I'll start with you. And
Yeah.
we're going to share Ros's screen on my screen because Ros's photos didn't come out real well when she holds them up. So hold one up for us, Ros, and then I'll go share screen and see if we can do it that way.
Okay.
And so people can see
Where
the
am I?
difference.
That
Yeah,
one.
go in front of
Yeah.
your face. All right, so
Yep.
see that? All right, so now we'll go share screen. So, and you can talk us through. Hang on, let me just go like this and find your pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the first one. It looks so much better like that.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Yes. So I actually just kept layering and
Okay,
watercoloring until I
lovely.
got something I liked. That's
Yeah,
what you do with that. And I used some of the hills and some of the funny clouds to work as hills as well. So yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, you
Yes.
really used it
So
well.
especially
Okay.
it's under the your it's sort that the
Yep.
that little cloudy one.
Okay.
So yeah.
Lovely. All right, we'll go to the next one.
One and fairly
Oh,
straightforward.
look at the
Yeah.
trees. You got the
Yeah.
reflection, the
I,
shadows.
I
Sorry,
got
not
I got
reflection.
shadows on the trees
Oh, wow.
um and like where you decided to put Cajun Calypso coral. Think I did I
Is
did
it Poppy?
Cajun craze. I'm not sure what I did with that one, but
Looks good.
it sort of didn't. It turned out really dark, so I just watercolored it and made it like a proper walking path.
Okay, no. You know what? Next to the trees looks like a
Next to a
shadow.
pond. Yeah,
Yeah,
next
and
to
it
a
looks like
pond or
shadows
something.
of something next to the trees on that red path.
Yeah.
Oh,
I sort of
that's
tried to do a
fascinating.
bit of shadowy bit. So
Oh, pretty cool. Okay.
Mhm.
And this
Yeah,
is the other one.
this is my
Oh,
other one.
wow. Oh, that looks nice
So I
too.
put little red. Tried to do little red flowers and
Mm.
then I did the greenery again in a lighter color because it looked a bit weird.
Yeah, and you got little dragonflies in there, have you?
And I got two little dragonflies. Not sure if dragonflies come out at night, but they are.
Now, if anyone wants to know what they are, we are using the adhesive-backed dragonflies and birds.
Yes,
That's what they're
adhesive back
called. Oh,
dragonflies.
wow, that's
Yes.
wonderful. Thank you for that. I'll just stop sharing. Oh, thanks a lot. How'd you go, Di?
Yeah, okay. So my first one
Oh,
is this.
wow. Yep. Oh, and you used a different fold around the edge.
Yeah, I used what is it, distressed tile?
Distressed tile, I think it was.
Yeah, it turned out really well.
Gee
I'm really
whiz.
happy with that.
They turn out so different. They look like art masterpieces.
The
Ah,
you'll have to see this in two parts because
yep.
it's quite long. I made a
Smart.
really long one.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
And
Hello.
shadows.
They look great. Oh, wow. They're really
Can't quite
good.
see the little clouds.
Oh,
but
yeah, I got a bit of it then when you flicked it sideways.
Oh, that's the same one. And this one,
Look
the
at
really
that.
dark sky.
Yeah, wow. You've done clouds and stars.
And stars.
That's gorgeous. Oh, wow.
And I
Cool.
did a little bit inside.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yes.
Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, I'm impressed. Very impressed. As usual, but I love the way these turned out. So these are my ones. So this is my, which one's which? That's the first one I did, like to do the class in the first place. So we've used the painted 3D embossing folder there with some embossing, gold embossing. And so used Versamark to do that. And then this one I've made the sky a little bit more colourful. And they just turn out different every time. It's amazing, isn't it? Look. Incredible. And my bookmark, that's my first one. And I forgot while I was doing this today that we were going to do the clouds in clear and then put Wink of Stella over the top. So that's what that one is, if you can see that. And then I did this one with white ink, but you can hardly see that in here. And then I put a bird on there because I had a bit of a green splotch when I was doing some green. So if you get a green splotch of ink somewhere, just cover it up with a bit of bling. So that's my two there. My trees are a little bit darker in that one. I did a little bit of watercolor on this one because I just wasn't, my stamping was a little bit blank in spots. So I just watercolored it. This one's got a lot of watercoloring in it. And this one, this is my first one. And we've just watercolored the sky. And on this one, I've done more with the little red poppies. Wow, they're just little red flowers there. So I looked online at all different photos of the hills of Tuscany to get some ideas for this. So that's how that all started. And thank you girls for suggesting this stamp set. So it was a bit of a challenge. So if you're trying this at home, don't give up. Wait for things to dry a bit and then go back to it. Walk away, come back. So thank you very much for joining me. What's the next date? Look, I haven't even looked at my own calendar. How terrible. So anyway, look at the stampinut.net website. My Fiona Fernandez.stampinut. I have a diary in there and you can see all my card events. So thanks a lot. Ciao.
Ciao.